Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's review we'll take a detailed look at the Kiwi Ears Atheia, one of the freshest headphones on the market that offers an exceptional audiophile experience. The Atheia is a hybrid dual driver headphone featuring a 50mm dynamic driver paired with a 40.5mm planar magnetic driver. This hybrid configuration is certainly unconventional and aims to deliver a balance between punchy dynamic qualities of traditional drivers and the data retrieval of planar magnetic technology. So let's have a look at the review. The box comes in the brown color variant with the brand and a model inscription as well as a photo of the product. When you open the box, you will feel at the first glance that you are dealing with a premium product. The packaging is sleek and minimalistic with the details that reflect the high quality of the product inside. As soon as you open the lid, you will be greeted by the neatly arranged contents that show the manufacturer has paid attention to every detail. A high quality hard travel case to protect the headphones. The headphones come inside a soft, velvetly elegant carrying case with very practical and protects them from external influences where you are carrying them. In the package you will find the high quality cable with durable connectors that allow easy connection to devices. The cable is very sturdy and its design guarantees longevity. There is also a user manual which can be useful. When you take the Kiwi Ears Atheia out of the box, the first impression is truly impressive. The workmanship is top-notch with Walnut wood covering, ear cups, and metal frames adding extra strength and luxurious feel. The headphones feel heavy and solid, which gives a sense of quality and durability. The Atheia headphones are made with incredible attention to details, and their visual and the sound quality exceeded expectations. The use of walnut wood on the ear cups gives the headphones an elegant and sophisticated look, but also improves the sound performance thanks to the natural acoustic that comes with the wood. This material contributes to the warm, rich sound and a good resonance, which provides excellent tonal balance. The headphones also use aluminum alloy for the frames, which gives from extra strength and durability, while the vegan leather on the ear cushions ensures exceptional comfort without compromising on environment standards. The memory foam on the ear cushions perfectly adapts to the shape of your head, creating excellent sound isolation that completely immerses you in the music without external influences. This is especially important for those who seek complete concentration on the music without distraction. The self-adjusting headband and the independently adjustable ear cups allow you to adjust the headphones to the shape of your head, reducing pressure and allowing comfortable wear during long listening seasons. This is a key element for those who want the comfort without compromising on the sound. One of the biggest advantages of the Kiwi Ears Atheia is their dual driver configuration that combines a powerful 50mm dynamic driver and a 14.5mm planar magnetic driver. This innovation allows you to headphones to deliver exceptional clarity and precision, making them ideal for lovers of high-quality sound. The use of a planar magnetic driver allows greater precision in the middle and the high frequencies, while the dynamic driver provides a rich, fast bass that provides depth of the sound. The frequency response of these headphones is from 20 Hz to the 40 kHz, which means that the Atheia covers almost the entire spectrum of human hearing with incredible detail. The soundstage is very spacious with excellent separation of instruments and a clear separation of vocals and background tones. Although the Atheia are designed with a natural tuning profile, their precision and balance allow any type of music to sound natural and dynamic without any frequency dominating. The headphones deliver fast, punchy bass that's powerful but not too aggressive thanks to the dynamic driver. At the same time, the mid-range sound natural and balanced without any blurring, which is crucial for the clarity of vocals and instruments. Higher frequencies are crystal clear with plenty of air and detail, allowing you to enjoy music from versatile piano parts to complex orchestral performances. The Kiwi Ears Atheia are not only sound stars but also technically extremely precise. The headphones offer a low total harmonic distortion of just 0.5% and 1 mW, which means you can enjoy crystal clear sound even at the high volumes. This minimal distortion makes the headphones great for critical listening and audiophile enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on the sound quality no matter the volume. These headphones are made for long-lasting musical enjoyment. Since they are fully designed for ergonomic comfort, their fit allows for luxurious comfort and a minimal pressure on the head. The self-adjust headband and independently adjustable ear cups allow you to position the headphones in the optimal position, reducing pressure on your ears, reducing fatigue, and allowing you to enjoy music without discomfort even during long listening seasons. The memory foam on the ear cushions also helps the passive sound isolation, making you can enjoy your music without any external noise. Whether you are at home, on the road, or in a noisy environment, this isolation also improves sound dynamic and clarity, as external sounds won't interfere with your musical enjoyment. The Kiwi Ears Atheia headphones represent the ultimate balance between sophisticated technology and luxurious design. Their dual driver configuration, which combines a 50mm dynamic driver and a 14.5mm planar magnetic driver, delivers exceptional sonic precision, allowing for detailed and a balanced reproduction of all types of music. With a natural tuning profile, the Atheia delivers exceptional clarity across the frequencies range, from the bass to crystal clear heights. If you are looking for audiophile-grade headphones that deliver incredible precision, comfort, and longevity, the Kiwi Ears Atheia are definitely the headphones you should consider. For a little over $300, the Atheia is an excellent choice for any audiophile, music lover, and professional looking for headphones that deliver superior sound performance without breaking the bank. So be sure to check out the official sales links below this video. Hurry up and get your new Kiwi Ears Atheia headphones today at the promotional price, because now is the chance, so be sure not to miss it. If you enjoyed this review, feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.